Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by deciding the goal, then paste the passage you want paraphrased. Once done, state the target tone, formal, casual, or concise, and include any hard constraints like word count or terminology. Make sure to mention phrases that must stay unchanged, such as product names or legal terms. Now, give a first prompt that combines the instruction and an example line to model the style. This jump-starts the process and avoids vague outputs, so you get usable rewrites immediately. Once you have an initial rewrite, refine by giving precise constraints. Say shorten by 30% or keep all technical terms intact. Then ask for multiple variants, literal, creative, and concise, so you can pick the best fit. Make sure to request explanations of altered meaning where relevant and ask for side-by-side comparisons to see word-level changes. This detailed control reduces guesswork and helps you iterate quickly until the paraphrase matches purpose and voice. You finish by proofreading for factual accuracy and consistent tone, then integrate the paraphrase into your draft. If something goes wrong, like a shifted meaning or awkward phrasing, give a counterexample showing the preferred wording and ask for a targeted revision. Also, save the working prompt and any successful constraints as a template for future use. This makes results repeatable. One key troubleshooting tip: when meaning drifts, explicitly mark sentences to preserve and rerun the prompt with those anchors.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.